Thank God it's a Friday. Ngayon po ay February 11, 2022. Welcome po sa Friday edition ng the Stock Market Today. If this is your first time in this channel, ako po si Benji Chodoro, isang retired bank officer na nagsimula mag-invest sa Philippine stock market ng 2007. Ginagawa ko po itong report araw-araw na sinimulan ko po noong August of 2020. I also report the latest news on your favorite and most active stocks. If you like the content, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. Kung meron po kayong stocks na gustong ipa-review using tech analysis, please comment on the comment box and I will prioritize. Ang ating financial news ay tungkol sa Jollibee at ang resulta ng trading sa ating PSE ngayong araw, February 11, 2022, dito lamang sa The Stock Market Today. Okay, so let's now go to our macro news from BDOsec. Jobless Filipinos increase to 3.27 million in December of 2021. Then FDI rises 96% year-on-year in November to US dollars 1 billion. FDI is foreign direct investments. JFC posts full year 21 net income of 5.9 billion. So this is our main news. And then bad loans drop to lowest in 11 months. Ito yung mga bangko natin, So yan po yung kung nasa top stocks po yan, tignan po natin ang isang representative stock. SMC preparing to double capacity of 10 billion pesos Davao Cement Plant. Okay, so let's now go to our main news on Jollibee, and this is courtesy of BDO Securities. JFC reported a fourth quarter 2021 net income of 3.2 billion pesos, bringing the full year earnings tally to 5.9 billion pesos against the 11.5 billion loss recorded in the same period last year. Fourth quarter revenues increased 22.8% year-on-year to 44.9 billion pesos as the Philippines same-store sales rose 24.1% year-on-year, while the international business grew 6.9% year-on-year. Meanwhile, full year 21 consolidated operating income amounted to 6.3 billion pesos against the 12.8 billion operating loss in full year 2020. Already approximating pre-pandemic levels of 6.5 billion in 2019. The company earnings performance was aided by sustained top-line recovery and JFC's business transformation program, such as store rationalization, cost-saving programs, and supply chain efficiencies. JFC has allotted 17.8 billion peso capex budget for the full year 2022 against the 7.8 billion spent during 2021 to support its plans of operating 500 new stores in 2022 against 398 in 2021. Okay, yan po ang ating news, and based on BDO Securities commentary, sabi niya JFC's full year 2021 results appear to be ahead of our estimates. EBITDA accounting for about 119% of our estimates. We will obtain more details. Okay. Sige. EBITDA is earnings before income taxes, depreciation, and amortization. So, that's our main news, JFC Corporation. And, sige, sama natin si Jollibee plus a representative stock on the banks, and San Miguel, sama na rin natin. Okay, so before we go to the Philippine Stock Exchange Index, let me check if we have comments from our subscribers. By the way, sorry nga pala yesterday ang na-upload ko yung February 9, I think. Yeah, 9 ang na-upload ko. Pero yung thumbnail, February 10. So akala ko February 10 na yung na-upload ko, but I'm really very sorry. And thank you nga pala doon sa nag-point out no. Hindi ko na po matandaan kung sino po kayo, but marami po salamat sa pag-point out po. Malaking bagay po yan sa akin to correct the upload. Okay. Flormira says, Sir, IMI, please, salamat po. Okay. Michiko Damion says, inaabangan po namin palagi ang mga videos niyo, sir. Maraming salamat po sa pagbabahagi ng iyong kaalaman. Nakakatulong po sa amin ang mga videos ninyo. Sana po ay hindi po kayo magsawa. Okay po, maraming po salamat, Michiko. At kayo po ang aking inspirasyon. Maraming po salamat sa inyong pagtangkilik sa aking videos. And I will try to improve, ano? By the way, sa Monday, live po tayo. Now, as the exchange closes, we will go live, ano? And then, next is, welcome new subscriber, Jeannie Pulido. Maraming po salamat sa inyong pag-subscribe, ano? Okay, that's it. So, let's now go to the, another new subscriber, by the way, is Alexander Monsake. So, welcome po sa inyo, sa mga nagsusubscribe, at maraming po salamat sa inyong pagtangkilik at suporta sa ating channel. So let's now go to the Philippine Stock Exchange and the Philippine Stock Exchange Index on how it performed today. Okay, so let's just put up our indicators. Mukhang red engulfing candlestick to, no? The PSEI lost 162.26 points or 2.18%. Wow, this is the largest in so many days, ano? Since December 31, which the index lost 2.89. And here, December 1, it lost 3.52. So here it's 2.18%, the largest in 2 months or 3 months. So ngayon it's just the index is just touching the 50-day exponential moving average, you know. And what I found out from the news is that this is probably causing the decline of the index, yung jobless rate on December, no? Kasi kumonti yung mga trabaho. Tingnan natin to. Jobless rate inches up in December. So that is probably the reason kung bakit bumababa yung ating index, ano, because of this economic statistic, yung unemployment rate nasa 7.8. So last year it was 10.4. Yan po. Tingnan natin yung ibang news. Sa ABS-CBN News, the Philippine Stock Exchange Index retreated from a 2-year high as investors digested the Philippines December jobs report and the latest MCSI rebalancing results. Okay, so let's now go to the index, and after that would be our market activity. 121 companies declined, 66 advanced, while 50 remained unchanged. The all-share index also declined by 1.34%. All our sectoral indices are down, led by services at 3.53. Only properties was in the green at 0.21%, but that is almost flat. So let's now review the following stocks. Ngayon po, kung meron po kayong stocks na gusto pa review, pa comment lang po sa comment box. So we'll be reviewing IMI, MONDE, Glow, SMPH, ICT, and Emperador. Or instead of Emperador, let's review one stock, no? Financial stock, BPI na lang. Yan. Puntahan natin ang index. So IMI, okay, bearish siya, no? And 2 consecutive days na bearish to. Material information, tingnan natin kung ano ito. Please, annual yung virtual stockholders meeting. So it is now sitting at support level. Hindi pa, no, sorry po, hindi po support level. Na-breach po yung support. Ito po yung pinaka-support niya. Nandito po sa area to. Nasa 943, pero it is within support area pa po ito. Ang closing price na 9.28, ano? So, it has been bullish the past from up to February 3, but after that date ay pababa na po yung IMI, no? Integrated Microelectronics. So, RSI is also bearish at 40. Ngayon po, ang next support level po ni IMI nandito po sa area to, nasa 8.77. My assessment is that it has turned bearish already since nag-crossover yung short, yung medium, and about to cross yung long-term indicator. Okay, then MONDE, which is a new addition to the index. Wow, look at that! MONDE! Sumipa siya. May balita ba dito? There must be some news here, ha? Yung previous resistance mo nandito na break. And this is a breakout, ha? Breakout po ito, yung kay MONDE. Bakit ko po nasabing breakout? Kasi it is a solid green candlestick, the highest increase in more than 2 weeks, actually 3 months po ito. And it broke the resistance level and there is significant volume. Yan po ang characteristics ng isang breakout. So nagbe-breakout po siya. Ngayon, the previous resistance was 16.92 na na-break din niya. So one of the characteristics, it broke the existing resistance. Ngayon po, yung next resistance level ni MONDE nandito po. Yan, nasa 1889. Yan po yung kay MONDE. Next resistance level po niya. So, its closing price is now under the candlestick and it is possible na masustain po yung breakout po niya kasi ang pwede po mangyari is magkaroon muna ng pullback bago tumaas. Pero in some instances ay tumataas pa rin po siya. No? Nagkakaroon ng continuation. But in most instances, nagkakaroon po ng pullback bago po tumaas. So either way, there is an indication of an increase in the price because of the volume, the presence of volume today. Tingnan nga natin to. Kasi number 1 si MONDE sa most active 889 million yung kanyang volume. Okay, so that's for MONDE. And then si Glow naman. Si Glow mukhang kasi if you'll take a look, yung study ni BDO Securities, naglabas siya dito on Globe, ano? Ngayon, ang kanyang assessment, yung latest assessment niya on Globe Telecoms, based on the latest FS, is upgrade to neutral on reasonable valuation. So, ang valuation pa rin niya is 2850. Pero, in-upgrade niya to neutral, dati po i-reduce. So, yung 2850 is medya-medya. So, halos tama lang yung kanyang valuation. Pero there is a possible upside since nag-i-invest siya sa capex, no, or capital expenditures. FY21 telco core income up 8.8% year-on-year in line with expectations. Revenue momentum blunted by Typhoon Odette and prolonged pandemic. Elevated capex to spill over in 2022. GCash achieves profitability 3 years ahead of target. So that's one plus for Globe, no? TP unchanged, rating upgraded to neutral. So that's basically the summary on Globe. And right now it's diving. It continues to go down, and for the 5th straight trading day ay red candlestick po siya, and it is now bearish, no? Lahat ng ating indicators na sa taas at nag-crossover sa candlestick with RSI oversold at 23. Nagbigay siya ng dividends pero alam na natin to Alam na natin yan. Ngayon, nasa support level na po siya. Ito po yung support niya. Yan po. Nasa 26.35. The next support level would be here na Yan, nasa 21.32. and it's bearish. But tingin ko dyan, temporary lang po ito. Temporary lang po itong low. Kasi they have, yung income statement nila ay not bad naman, ano? It's not on the negative side. Kumita nga sila ng 8%. But just the same, technically ay bumababa po siya. So nasa tamang valuation na po siya. Ang tamang valuation ni Globe ay nasa 28.50. So meron po siyang upside. Bale, meron pong upside si Globe. Kasi nag-dive po siya 26.90. Dati nandito na po sa 3,300 level. Okay, and then SMPH. Naku, tumaas si SMPH. And palagay ko, I know the reason here. It's because of the alert levels. Na-lift yung alert levels dito. And nagkakaroon uli ng activity sa malls, no? And kung papansin nyo, from a sideways movement, ang SMPH ay naging bullish, no? And this is confirmed by the RSI at 64. Ang kanyang resistance level nandito po sa area to. Nasa 37.17. Or more or less resistance level na po itong SMPH. Na yung next resistance level niya nandito po sa area to. Nasa 37. Okay, actually it's resistance level already kasi resistance is an area. Yan. From 38 pesos, from 37.50 to 38 pesos, yan po yung pinaka-resistance level ni SMPH. And then ICT, yan, dire-diretso siya, paakyat. Okay. Pataas pa rin si ICT, but it had a red movement today. Lost 13 pesos or 5.94%. Medyo malaki. So yan po si ICT, but our indicators are still under the candlestick, particularly itong blue and black line. Now the blue line is acting as our support. So if we'll prepare, or if we will do a parallel channel which will track the blue line, ang pinaka resistance po natin ay nandito po sa 220 level, more or less 220 level, and support follows the EMA 50 at 196 to 201. Yan po, more or less. Okay, so yan po si ICT, and it continues to move up except for the red candles or candle today. And then finally we have a bank, BPI. Green kaya to, naku, bumagsak din. But just like ICT, the blue line is our support, and if we will do a parallel channel again similar to ICT, the resistance would be at 102.50. So when I talk of support and resistance, hindi po yan exact points, but these are areas. Okay? So BPI continues to move up. Ang kanyang, tignan natin yung kanyang, I think nasa 110 si BPI, or yung kanyang fundamentals niya is I think 110 eh. Okay, BPI, ang presyo niya ay nandito sa 116. So more or less may upside pa po siya na mga 15%, more or less. So yan po ang ating report sa stock market. Sa Monday nga po pala, we will start at 12:50 in the afternoon as the market closes, and we will end siguro mga 1:15 to 1:20. Mga 30 minutes, 20-30 minutes lang tayo. Ayoko po na masyadong mahabang live eh. So get ready with your request, and I can answer you live. I do the news and then I comment on the stocks, on your favorite stocks. Yan po ang ating report sa stock market Friday, February 11, 2022. Ito po si Benji Chidoro, nagpapaalala, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagtangkilik at hanggang sa muli. Happy weekend, stay safe, God bless, and bye for now.